Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. According to me, the garden is the best place in a house. It is a place where someone can sit for a while and unwind amidst nature and feel refreshed. The oxygen in the air, sunlight flooding the entire stretch of the open space, the sweet fragrance from the flowers, and the chirping of birds, everything seemed to come together to create a magically and therapeutic on the human mind. Nowadays, not too many houses are blessed, and but if one want to live a peaceful life, he must consider getting a garden of his own. About in my garden, there are various type of plants. Some are flowering plants, some bear fruits and vegetables, while there are some other plants which look simply adorable because of the sheer beauty of their leaves. The flowers that adorn my garden are rose, sunflowers, lily, and etc. The garden looks stunning when the flowers are the full bloom. I have cultivated many vegetables in my garden with the help of my grandfather. Tomato, brinjal, lady finger, and green chili, and among so on. I am trying to make my garden an organic garden so that we can don't have to depend upon vegetables bought from my market. The vegetables that I grow have several health benefits beside being fresh and chemical free. There is a soft grass all over my garden, and the grass is maintained properly and trimmed on the regular basis. On the other hand, they make garden ideas and place for different exercise. I like to walk in bare feet and in my garden only because of the soft grass cover. Moreover, there is a swing in my garden, and I can spend many hours swings on it. I don't get bored doing my activity in my garden. Thanks for watching.